Venus, you want to play with your ball? You want to play with your toy? Huh, Venus? Venus, you big good girl. Say hi. Say hello. Say hello, everybody. Say, I'm Miss Venus, and I'm a pretty girl. Yes. Venus, you're a pretty girl. Get your toy. Get your toy, Mama. You don't want to play? You don't want to play. Pretty girl. Love you. Hello. Hello. I know you want me. Come here.